Hi Purple Group, Mrs. Taylor here, Maths Lesson 2, and our learning objective today is to explore and use number bonds to 6. This is a revision lesson. To help us with our learning today, we're going to use some stories. And our first story is called How Many Fish? So we have got two children, Gemma and Jer. Jer and Gemma have been fishing. They have caught 5 fish. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They put them in their buckets. How many fish might be in Jer's bucket and how many in Gemma's bucket? Let's explore. One way we could share the fish is by putting all of the fish into Gemma's bucket. So that would be 5 fish in Gemma's bucket and none in Jer's. But that's not the only way. Look at this next video where I share out the fish. I didn't have any fish, so I used paper clips instead. So you need to use your imaginations. So my paper clips are supposed to be fish. So here are my pretend fish and my pretend buckets. And so I'm going to start by putting them all into one bucket and none in the other bucket. Then I'm going to move one across and then 2 fish across, 3 fish across, 4 fish across and 5 fish across. And this is what it looks like written down. So 0 and 5, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 4 and 1, 5 and 0. Are these all different, or are some the same as the others? There are actually only 3 different ways, because if you look at the top where it says 0 and 5, and then look at the bottom, it says the same numbers but the other way round, 5 and 0. And 1 and 4 is actually the same as 4 and 1. 2 and 3 are the same as 3 and 2. They both add up to, or they all add up to 5. 5 fish altogether. When you have a go at your own activities, you are still carrying on with using buckets to share things, but you are instead looking at sharing out starfish. So you will be cutting out the starfish and then putting different numbers of starfish in each bucket. And then I would like you to record what you find out, writing the numbers down as you go on the recording sheet, which looks like this. Have fun and see you soon.